Y'all, we still out here at the Father's Day event, the car show. This is Moses. Take a look at Moses' truck. Okay, Moses, tell us a little bit about your truck.
1968 Chevrolet C10, 496 big block, 600 carburetors on it, 4-speed, digital dash, 22s on it. Paint job over 20 years old.
Okay. Tell me the rims again on here, Moses.
22-inch wheels on it. Digital dash, power windows.
Okay, Moses, tell us what's on the inside of it, because it's mighty clean in there.
Digital dash, everything in it, wood grain, dash, speakers. Inside the bed, carpet down.
Everything clean in this truck.